Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So affect. 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 To impact. To impact something or someone in a meaningful way. To have an impact. To affect change. This coffee will affect you soon. Yeah. That sound has a strange effect on them. Or that sound affects them strangely. That sound affects them strangely. Yeah. Its effect is weird. It has a weird the way it affects us is weird. Whoa. Yeah, the way it affects us is strange. Yeah. This will take effect soon. About 5 minutes after you drink coffee, it will begin to take effect. Yeah. How cool is that? It affects all of them. That decision will affect everyone here. Yep. My choices will affect my future. Yes. My choices today will affect in the future. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? How cool is that? So that means that he affects, she affects, okay? It affects, you affect, you, they affect, I affect. So I will affect the machine if I touch it. They will affect me if I listen to them. They will have an effect on me. Yeah. It affects everyone who goes near it. It affects everyone who goes near it. Yeah, don't go near it. Your presence affects it. Your presence has an effect on it. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, it affected only a few people. That sound, that taste, that rule will only affect a few people. Yeah. Do you think it is affecting them still? I'm not sure if it is. If it is affecting them, it depends. It depends on the sound, the time, the weather, things like that. Depends. When will it affect you and I? It is not affecting me. Yeah, so I have a drink, but when I drink it, it is not affecting me. Just the same. I feel the same. I feel the same. I feel the same. That's it. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, affect, to impact something or someone in a meaningful way. Yeah. Affect. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use affect in a sentence? Can you use it in a sentence and write that sentence below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.